In this lesson, you will learn about line plots. So here I have written the scores from a bullseye game. So I was playing a bullseye game and I got these scores: a 2, 4, 0, a 3, a 3, a 1, a 3, and so on. So I was throwing my darts at a bullseye and these were my scores that I recorded. I want to organize that in a little bit more clear way. So I'm going to do this line plot. So I have this number line from 0 to 4 because those are my scores. So I'm going to write down here score. Okay, and then this is the number of times I got that score. So number of times scored. Okay, so simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a mark at each point along the way. So I got a 2. So I go to the 2 and I'm going to mark. There's 1, 2. Okay. So I've done that one. I want to mark them off. I got a 4, a 0, not a good roll or throw, a 3, another 3, so I'm going to mark it above it, a 1, another 3, a 4, mark that above there, a 1, a 3, a 4, and 3 more 1s. So we got a 1, 1, 2, 3 more 1s. So now here I have this line plot that clearly shows the scores and how many times I got that score. So I can look at this and go, okay, I only got 0 once. That's pretty good. The most I got was 1. I scored 1 the most times. I only scored 2 one time. 3, I scored 4 times. And 4, I scored 3 times. And this just kind of helps me organize the information a little bit. And that's the end of our lesson on line plots.